I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Form B. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly, ensuring accuracy and completeness. Before you even pick up a pen or type a single word, it is crucial to understand the form's purpose. Knowing what Form B is for will guide your preparation and ensure you gather all necessary details. We will cover everything you need to know in 4 simple steps. The next crucial step involves gathering all the information and documents you will need. This might include personal identification, such as a driver's license or passport, and any relevant financial statements. For example, you might need bank statements from the last 3 months or income slips from the past year. Having everything organized and at your fingertips will make the filling process much faster and less stressful. Now, let's dive into completing the form itself. Start by carefully filling in your personal details, ensuring your name, address, and contact information are exactly correct. When entering financial data, such as an income of $50,000 or an asset value of $100,000, precision is key. Always double-check every number. Remember to answer all questions thoroughly. Leaving required sections blank can cause delays. Before you submit your Form B, a thorough review is absolutely essential. Take a few minutes to read through every section, checking for any typos or missing information. Once you are confident everything is accurate, sign and date the form in all the specified places. Finally, make sure to create at least 1 copy for your own records before submitting it through the designated channel, whether it is online or by mail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.